Do you guys like my Tom and Jerry shirt? I got it
That
at
is
their
really
store,
cute.
and it's like an actual Warner Brothers shirt, and I got it for $3, and I'm sure it was probably way more than $3 original retail. And do you like my little chain earrings? I also got those at a consignment shop for like $2.
Your highlight looks good too.
Thank you. I got that in an Ipsy bag.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name's Rhonda, better known as Hotmess Mama and D, and this is my beautiful daughter Haley, aka Love Haley. Her channel will be linked and listed down below for you guys. We're so excited because if you guys have been with us for a while, you know we do Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter, with the regular Ipsy bag. But because I have amazing Patreons, thank you guys so much. If you are part of the Patreon family, you guys, what I do with the money that I get from the Patreon is I put it back into our channel to make content for you guys. So of course the Patreon crew is getting first dibs on this video, but because of the Patreon family, long story short, we now get to unbox the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So we are going to be doing, what do we even call this? Yeah, you've been doing it, but then I lost my job.
Yeah, so I originally, if you guys remember a while ago, like right before my mom lost her job, I teased that we were going to be doing a subscription box on my channel. And so I was like, then my mom lost her job, and it was my first month of actually getting it because I was on the wait list. And then the first month I got it was the first month she didn't. So we never got to do it. Right now my channel is dead yet again. I'm very sorry for going MIA. Like, my life is chaotic right now. I currently work on an ice cream truck. It's cool, it's fun. I was offered a job at Subway today because my dad goes to Subway all the time. I'm also starting school soon, so woohoo! Anyways, now we're gonna do it together.
I don't want to peek.
Oh, sorry. We were originally going to do it on my channel, but since my channel is dead, I thought we'd just do it here. So eventually, if I ever revive my channel, which I'm hoping I will, maybe we'll switch it over there. I don't know. Stay tuned. Find out. Surprise!
But anywho, yeah, when I lost my job, I had to do away with my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus subscription. But like I said, because of the awesome Patreon family that we have, we are able to bring this video back. But like Haley said, since she's getting the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, we get to do Ipsy versus Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, mother versus daughter.
Ipsy versus Ipsy Plus edition.
Womp womp
Okay.
Let's get into it. If you guys do not know what Ipsy is, it is a monthly subscription. They offer 2, but I think they're bringing a 3rd deluxe.
The ultimate.
I'm not doing that unless
it's $50 a month.
Unless you guys start like joining my Patreon,
like
that's not coming. But if you want to see it, you're gonna have to jump over and join the Patreon.
Like I
can't
want to try it, but it's like,
it would be nice.
How many? It's like 10 or 12.
It's a lot. It's a lot. And I think it's monthly. I don't think it's quarterly. Now this is a monthly subscription. This is $25 a month. Yeah, it's $25 a month plus tax, so after tax it's about $26. You get, I believe it's like 5 full-size products, and I never know for sure whether this goes off your profile. Does it?
I don't know.
So it'll be interesting to see if they have like a variation card in here so we can see if we got different ones.
Because that's what we were originally going to do.
Right.
We were gonna both get it, like that's why I was gonna get it, to see if it was the same or if it was different.
So that's what it looks like.
Okay, who's going first?
Well, I'm gonna get the card. So the first thing does your card have anything on it?
It has all my products.
Oh, I'm not looking at that. I was looking down. So I'm checking like this little corner part of the card, and it says box 103 SE19 1012793. Yours?
Mine box 123 SE19 101281.
Okay, so we have different.
Slightly different.
So let's just see.
Bitty different.
Okay,
go first. Go.
Me? Okay, I'm not gonna peek.
I already peeked. Oh wait,
oh.
I have that too.
Have we gotten this before?
I have not. No.
Why does this look familiar? The tropical
This is a face cleanser?
Yeah.
This is big.
This is by Glam Glow, Hollywood, California, Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. It's like ginormous.
I can't open it because I'm scared I'm gonna explode it. I want to smell it. It says tropical.
Can you just...
I'm weak. So weak.
She's shaking.
Oh, there's not a seal on it.
I was gonna say, that's why you...
Oh, sorry.
Oh, it smells good. It's very clean.
Like red orange. Just having one of those kind of days, you know. It smells good.
You're next doohickey.
Okay, this is what I saw when I first opened it. This is the Ofra Madison Miller.
Shut the front
mini
door.
palette Miller Squad.
She literally, well, she's part of the Ipsy, but she just released that with Ofra. Oh, busted the house.
A sad girl. busted the house. Oh my goodness.
We need to reach out to Ipsy.
I sad. My nose are really pretty, like. Oh. Yours is not broken.
So this is what it would look like.
Dark shimmer. This is the one.
There's toilet paper down there.
Toilet.
So this is what it looks like up close.
Is it just me, or is this roll of toilet paper like extremely like long? Like width-wise?
I think it's just you.
Okay.
Wow. I know, those are actually pretty.
How do I contact Ipsy?
I would do their customer service. Have you guys had an issue with anything coming busted?
There wasn't even bubble wrapped, so I guess that's why.
That's crazy. Oh.
It was so beautiful. I'm gonna be really sad if this is all run out now. Like, they don't have any more of them.
Well, I have a butt ton. If you really want it, I can give you mine.
You have a butt ton of this palette?
No, I mean of highlighters and...
Oh, no. I also have a butt ton. Blush.
No, maybe it was the lipsticks. Well, like I said, I mean, I have a ton of stuff.
No. I'm just gonna contact Ipsy.
Okay. So, the next item I got is the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I didn't even know they had a Oops.
Yeah, we haven't had a mini one.
Did we?
That did not make sense, which is kind of awesome. We have had a mini one.
I like ripped that open like a monster.
I don't remember if it was Ipsy or Sephora, but we have had one.
That is like stark white. Is it that? It says translucent.
So
that's cool. Full size. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys the prices of everything. We're a little rusty, guys.
Oh, I didn't even know. Oh, it said the prices on here.
Wow. Okay, so this Madison Miller trio is valued at $35.
And the cleanser is $34.
Wow. Okay, and then the Ciate London is $22. And then we'll add them up too.
Gosh,
how do you know what's in mine?
I looked at your paper. The Illamasqua, oh my god, Alley Matter, Anti-Matter, lipstick and cosmic.
I got cosmic too.
Oh, it's a very nice pinky mauve nudie, pretty girl.
Pretty girl?
I don't know how to explain.
Pretty girl!
I'm excited. I've been sleeping in really way too late these days. It's been bad.
I don't get to sleep. I've been having those stupid night terrors again.
Me too. I had one about this clown house of this one scary clown, and I escaped it. And then there was another one from one of the people that the clown had captive one of the people that were captive with me decided that they wanted to be the new clown because I killed the first clown. Hillary asked me to see it with her on Sunday. That's why this has happened.
Oh my lord. Now, how much does this lipstick retail for? $27.
I would never spend $27 on a lipstick, so thank you, Ipsy, for sending me one.
Okay, oh yay.
Oh, I was pulling that out too. The one
you got this too?
Yeah,
what did we get that was different?
You got the Ciate stuff, and I got something that I haven't pulled out yet.
Oh, so we got the Wonder Beauty.
The open little
what is this?
Frame Your Face micro brow pencil in taupe.
Yay! And
I need a new brow pencil.
This is perfect. I'm excited. I love Wonder Beauty products. I really, really like the products I have by Wonder Beauty. And they're a high-end brand that actually sometimes sends me PR. So shout out to you, Wonder Beauty, because all the other places are scared of me because I dupe everything. Whatever. I was gonna try and do like a W. Whatever.
A W for Wonder Beauty and whatever. So this retails for $21. This,
ooh, it's nice.
The outside,
looking.
Is that red?
It's like a maroony.
I'm not colorblind. And then it really, the size and everything of it really reminds me of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Micro Brow Pencil. That's what I'm trying to say. Also, speaking of Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pencil, I have not bought anything from the Ulta. I wanted so bad to do the MAC things, but then I forgot. So now
you can only pick 2 colors. Yeah, it was like Diva and something else.
Oh, I know, but I just wanted them.
The only thing I got was the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm, which was day 1. I got like 4 because they were 15 bucks.
Yeah, I didn't get anything.
And I used some of my points. I haven't bought anything since then.
I don't even remember what all they're selling.
Oh wait, this was $21. You know what? Will you open it? I forgot to do like an up close. This is what she was talking about. Excuse me. You need to do your job. There you go. Do you guys see that? Probably not because my camera's being a butt cheek. So what's your last item?
My last item is this APTO Skincare Pomegranate Mask for all skin types.
How much is that? What's $36?
So this is what it looks like. Beauty guru focus with my nasty nail. So it says, backed by top aestheticians, APTO removes fluff and filler to create clean skincare formulas like the soothing antioxidant rich mask, while pomegranate and green tea helps calm inflammation and restore balance. It says, it says, tip, in need of post-sun repair, apply a thin layer to overexposed skin and let it sit for 10 minutes before it dries down. Gently rinse and follow with moisturizer. So, like if you're sunburnt is what I'm saying.
That's good. Add yours up. How much is your shirt? We're going to add them up real quick and we'll be right back to see who got the more expensive box. Dang!
My box retailed for $153.
Mine was $139. So again, we both paid $26 and change, and hers came out price-wise on top. That's pretty awesome. That's pretty. And I have to say, I mean, like, hopefully they do your trio. Yeah.
Also, I have a question. You remember how we both got those emails and they were like, would you like to add this to your box?
I added stuff to mine.
I did too. So is that going to come with our regular Ipsy?
I believe so.
Is that going to come with, okay.
Unless it comes separate. Do you guys know about that? You guys, what she's talking about is you get an email and you can do add-ons for like $3, $5, and $12 or something.
I did the Thrive Cosmetics mascara because I'm wearing that one today and I love it.
Yeah, she's got like, and I am looking for that. So I ordered that too. And then there was like the Ofra Cosmetics, the Madison Miller lip glosses were available.
I didn't see that.
Yeah, I got some of those too. So we'll see. We both did some add-ons for our Ipsy Glam bag, the little mini, the $10 one. So we shall see what happens there.
I liked my box. I love getting masks in my stuff, and face wash is always good.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's like humongous. Like it's huge. It's
really
gonna last forever. So I want to try that out.
I could have sworn we've got
this is huge and it's super cute, and I'm excited to like scrub my face with it. I should have like put some on my hand and like tested it, but now I just don't feel like it. Lipstick, love lipstick. I would never spend more than like $15 on a lipstick personally myself, unless I like won the lottery or got rich, but I don't. Technically I do like the Kylie Cosmetics. I used to do her lip kits, but that also came with a lip liner, so I was like,
so you justified it.
Yeah, but I really like the color of that. It's a good everyday color. I actually needed a new brow pencil, so excited about that. And I love face masks. And I like this palette, but mine's broken, so hopefully they'll send me a new one. I'm gonna go pick up my brow pencil. BRB, y'all.
Anywho, I think that this box was great, and thank you again to my Patreon family for allowing me to be able to afford to get this box to unbox for you guys. I think everything in this box was perfectly suited to me. I think it's going to be everything that I can use on the daily, and I'm pretty excited about it. So Anyways, friends, that's going to be all for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please make sure to give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to check my description box down below for Hailey's channel. If you guys are interested in getting your own Ipsy, I will have my referral link, not sponsored or affiliated, in my description box down below. If you are interested in becoming one of our Patreons, I will have the Patreon link listed down below for you guys as well. Anyways, friends, don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed today's all over the place, can't wait to edit video. How many times can Hailey drop something?
Stay tuned to find out.
Guys, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and Twitter. And until next time, don't forget we have our Ipsy versus Ipsy coming up with the little small one. So make sure to stay tuned for that. Okay, guys, until next time, as always, we hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky.
Bye.